All of this now. Bonjour. Can you have one in it, yeah? In a breath? Sorry, let me speak English. Konnichiwa, everyone. Everyone. It's me, Kiri. Yeah, Konnichiwa, what's up? Hello. Hello. Do you remember me? Do you remember me on this stream that's definitely at 6 p.m. and not any later? Not any later is actually perfectly on time. Impressive, right? You take a big nap. I kind of fell asleep the moment I got home. I fell asleep and then I was like, I didn't even expect it, so I just set an alarm. Actually, I feel like I did set an alarm like yesterday in case I did that, and then I slept through that alarm, so... Yeah, see, oh, true, I'm 20 minutes early, it's perfect. It's perfect! I was like... so tired. I don't recommend trying to like do a function on 3 hours of sleep. Actually, what if I start recommending it? What if I'm like the secret to something is you have to like sleep for 3 hours and then you have to go to work and then you're not allowed to sleep until 10 p.m. still. Okay? Yeah, Hosonomics. It's Hosonomics to sleep for every 3 hours. I'm gonna get on a podcast and I'm gonna start saying that. If you wanna hustle like me, if you wanna be a master at Hosonomics like I am, you can only sleep 3 hours a day. Otherwise, you're like kind of lazy, right? It's a little bit lazy, you know. Yeah, I feel like 5 hours is... I mean, 5 hours is still bad for me, but... if I sleep like 5 hours, at least I can like function. I feel like 3 hours... I kind of like autopilot through the night, like the day. Yeah, exactly. Why would you sleep when you could just keep working? The 3 hours is optional also. 3 hours is optional, like 6-7 hours is the best. Shut up. Shut up. But yeah, see, that's how to be a true hustler. True hustler. I'm still kind of sleepy because I already woke up like... I feel like I only woke up like an hour ago. I don't know. I don't remember. I woke up. I got a coffee. I made rice cakes. I don't really remember what else I did. Oh, I went, it's not 6 p.m. anymore. And then I went, well, it's too late now. And then I contemplated what do I stream because ever since I fell asleep, I didn't clean my room. So I was like, well, I don't want to do it now. I don't want to do it. Why can't I sleep by closing your eyes throughout the day? I feel like... Actually, when I feel like when you're really tired, that happens, right? But then you have to hold yourself back from like actually falling asleep. Like that's a dangerous game. That's dangerous. I don't recommend it. Okay, hi Mappa, hi Jux, hi Pupaful, hi Thomasu, hi Vinyl, hi Freestan, hi Alright, hi Yumi, hi Zoya, hi Space, hi Rage, hi Scumshot, hi Thomasu, hi Faith, hi Qualit, hi Melia. Hello! Hello! Have you guys come to learn from me, the master? I'm kind of a programming genius. Actually, I'm kind of basically Terry the Terrible if I didn't send friendly messages to the CIA, which would get me arrested in my country. I'm kind of like Terry Davis in that sense. If you just ignore that bit, if you just ignore like partially, like so what? I always sent you a super funny TikTok. Wait, send it to me. Send it to me. Is it safe to watch on stream? Is it safe? Is it safe? I wanna know what it is. Okay, deliver it to me. Safe and it's really good. I wanna see it. Micro seats are a real thing, real four-wheel driving. Yeah, I mean I did them before, but like I never drove. I feel like you get in trouble if you drove. Real problem, big crashable. Just a slow compilation. No! If I'm in content of your mutuals now, QB, yes. Have you no shame? No. Should be driving anyways. You don't want me behind the wheel. You don't want me behind the wheel of a car. I'm gonna. I don't want any women behind the wheel. Okay. Wait. I'm gonna watch it. Wait. Instant shameless build. It's got some fat fucking benefits spread Andy on it. What is this TikTok? Okay. Where's my browser source? Okay. Browser audio. What is this? I'm ready to observe. What is this?
No, love. Puns just been to sign on that job centre.
I'm fucking excited! It was benefits for the Nazi as well!
What they wanted me in for. They know that I like a lane in the morning because my blood sugar's dropping. But yeah, I'm just going to have a little stroll now while I'm up. I can't believe how dead it is. I wonder where everybody is. They must be at work. Going to have a look at this posh new art gallery that's open. Just hang on a minute. Let me just make sure these are not watching the job centre. Right, get this walking stick put away and let's get a jog on down here, eh? Oh, I think I can see it. That's new, isn't it, that sign? Let's have a look. Oh, God, look at that site, isn't it? Posh, yeah. Oh, my God. Oh, look at these.
Oh, bloody hell.
Let's have a look at next. Oh, my God.
Oh, that's lush.
You know what? That look absolutely gorgeous in my bathroom, that above my bath.
With the B&M.
Who's painted all these? They're proper talented, aren't they? Let's have a look over here. Oh no. Oh my God. Do you know what? I don't know if that's Chinese or Japanese, but I do like a good Chinese, so that would be gorgeous in my kitchen, that, wouldn't it? Eh? You know what? I feel like I'm at Royal Palace here. It's proper posh, isn't it? God. Who would have thought I'd be coming in a posh place like this? Let's have a look upstairs. What we got up here? Oh, they're fancy, aren't they? Oh, I thought that was our shelf for a minute there. Let's have a look at this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Who's on me? Look at that. That's me, isn't it? Look, can you see it resemblance? Oh my God. Same lips, same nose. Oh God, let's get a closer look at that. Hang on a minute. Zoom in. Look, it's me with Babbies. Oh my God, let me get a selfie. I can't believe it. Who's bleeding drawn me, eh? I like that one. You can't beat a new Babby, can you? I think it's about time that I have another one now, because our Chardonnay Chanel's getting too old. Let me just sit down a minute. I need to process it. I'm right overwhelmed. I can't believe I'm on chuffing wall. Yeah, you take care and all, love.
This is me. This is literally what I sound like. I speak like this. This is literally me. This is literally me. I sound like this. I can't believe I profiled it immediately as Job Center without watching it. Is that like neophobic? Is that like neophobic? I was like, she looks like she'd be at the Job Center, and she was. You find something else to gossip over. You're just jealous. This is me. You're just jealous. Thank you. This is a beautiful, beautiful video. I loved it. I loved it. This is literally me. You're a bit bigger than I am. Lindsay, you need Nick. You guys are just jealous that this will never be you. This will never be you. This is me when I'm going to the job center and I'm picking up me fucking universal credit, and I'm on the off and I'm like, oh, absolutely lush, no one about it 2 PM today. And then I get sexually harassed at the job center. They should make a new video about that one. I never want that to be me. You wouldn't. Oh, fuck me. What was that? That was really scary. What was that? What was that? What was that? I don't know how to switch to the next one because the thingy is too. Oh, here we go. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Yeah, you take care and all, love. Ayopun's just been to sign on that job centre.
This is wait. It doesn't let me skip the video. Oh, why does it do that? Fuck, I fucking hate TikTok. I wanted to go back to the one that looked like spoons again. I wanted to go to the one that looked like spoons. It doesn't let me. Ah! Shut up! 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 You're too much cubing for the world to take. Do you think I'd be like a good fat woman? Like, do you think I'd be like really good at like? Do you think I'd have like the ability? Do you think I could pull off being like absolutely massive? Like, do you think I'd be like good at being obese? Like in terms of flavor profile, just in general, really. Do you think I'd be good at being obese? Good, I hope so. But seeing the other one she's doing, wait, I didn't even consider there was other ones. I think I've seen this TikTok account before. I feel like I saw her go to like get in a fight in a council estate. One of those rare female plumbers you finally love being a middle-aged fat tradesman IRL. The only time I ever saw like a female tradie like doing work, for me, she was really skinny, and it was like I felt like it was kind of like appropriation of culture, right? Like she was like really skinny. Obviously, she was like going gym and that. And it really offended me because it was like messing with my cultural concept that everyone knows tradies should be just fat as fuck. Yeah, like, it's just not on. It's just not on. They should be massive. They should be massive. Hi VTUBER, hi Comrade. Hello Johnny, hi Henry. Oh fuck, I almost spilled me fucking coffee. Fucking stupid microphone. Get in my way. Get in my way, me fucking I don't sound like that. I don't sound like Wait, I want to watch this TikTok before I actually curse. Wait, I need to watch this TikTok. I need to watch this TikTok. You guys understand, right? Like, there's more important things right now. What is this?
Why?
Do you know
Wait,
what?
it's not
I
even
think I'm gonna
long.
have to just
It's not even long.
go home and just have a think about it.
Why?
Some stupid clip. I don't care about what's from the telly. Aggressively British? No, I'm Aussie. I'm Aussie, I am. I'm Aussie. Wait, this looks so good. This looks so cute. I'm a real big fan of this account, actually. I feel like it's like, you know when you finally get something good on social media, and you're finally like, damn, it was worth it all along to have everyone on the internet, you know? It was worth it all along. I fucking... Is that really a Roblox game where you can just go to the job center and claim benefits? Wait, I think
Just on my way down to
it must be. There's just a Roblox game where you just
with Benefit Street being closed and all that, so I'm gonna see what they've got to say today. Oh, it's changed the afternoon, hasn't it? Look at all tables and that. Sure, there's some computers missing and all. Let me get sat on this chair here. Can't get bleeding on the thing. What's going off with these? These are not right, are they? Just look at them.
surely not. This is your algorithm. Yeah, this is also my algorithm because I think I've seen this before.
Best not be sat here for hours. Oh, hang on a minute. I think you just shouted.
Such a palpable aura of malaise is sparing too.
Hey up, Shirley, love. I've not seen
12 5 scariest Roblox games. Are you scared of Are you scared of
everything I should be for work.
the job center?
Interviews and everything
Are you
like
scared
that,
of your
but
job
it's
coach?
a liability. So they won't give me bleeding jobs.
They let you spend Roblox to force other people to lose their jobs? I don't think so. It's called fucking Benefit Street.
But I could get a go, couldn't I?
I don't think you can lose the jobs, but you can apply to scam the job center.
You aren't? Oh, you don't know a lot, you do you?
Should be two if you were smart. I'm not scared of job center.
I'm gonna get back off home now.
I'll sue him. I'll sue him for sexually harassing me, and I'll come out on news. I'll come out on news, and I'll be like, woman gets £500,000 payout from the government for sexual harassment or on benefits, innit? You see, you're not thinking ahead. You're not thinking financially like I am right now. You gotta think smarter. No, I'm done. I swear I'm gonna go open my IDE now. I think maybe because I'm like, I just needed like some mental enrichment, I think. What if she get arrested at 500k? You wouldn't get it, bro. You wouldn't get it. Getting way too fast. She's got proper muscle from all that fat in it. The character portrayed in this short would do the same. I learned way so much about British culture. Yeah, do you feel educated? Do you feel educated? I like to educate you guys, you know, on a real shit. I'm a big fan of this part of British TikTok. Where's my stupid fake IDE for fake baby born idiots, blah 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 blah, and the rest of it too, and the rest of it. There it is. There's some serious strength to look around all that weight? I mean, yeah, it's Oh wait, did I delete that? Oh, whatever. Oh. There we go. Meant to put that in. Don't they say like fat people have loads of muscle because you need you build muscle for like basically carrying around weights all day? Like it's the same with like having like leg weights on when you move. I feel like I read something about it at that point. That's why a lot of people lose like so much muscle, even if they don't lose weight unhealthily. Something like that. I remember reading about it before. Flaps bounce off the lower flaps, which basically makes them constantly airborne, making them lighter after the point. It's kind of like Mary Poppins, isn't it, really? It's kind of like the Mary Poppins if, like, instead of she had the brolly, she was just, like, absolutely fucking massive fat. Send it 2 years, Dagestan. It's for blokes only, mate. Us for blokes only. You think they're sending Eastern European women boxing in Dagestan? The answer's no. Do you know where they send them? They send them to the spa. Where women belong, okay? Where women deserve to be. They deserve to be at the spa. Send it to America 2-3 years, forget? No, get fat. Get fat, that's Architect Central. That's terrifying. Women deserve less? I was just saying facts though. You think a Russian woman is going boxing? No. She's going to buy clothes and wait for her stupid husband Vladimir to come home and fund her beauty treatments. Okay? Hello? Vladimir can be the one who fucks off to Dagestan. Okay, Svetlana isn't. Like, I'm just not having this, obvious freaking inaccuracy. I'm not accepting it. It's just not right. What is this meme? It's literally true. Not even a meme. The pugilists are traveling to the couch or whatever. Dagestan is a thing where that, like, if you see someone, like a guy who's a bit, is a bit feminine, let's say. Everyone, like, people always say, like, 2-3 years Dagestan. That's my summary. Because Dagestan is where, like, the, I think the boxers go. Some boxer did like 2-3 years Dagestan and he came out. I don't know, something like that. And he said something like that. You're the inside scoop on the risky household. See, you know I'm right, so it's fine. You know I'm correct. Clarification, this is the one in the Middle East. I think so. The one that's in... I actually don't know. I didn't really look it up personally. It's just meant to be dangerous. Yeah, it's like in Russia. But yeah, they said, say if you want your son to get good at boxing or something, you have to send him like 2-3 years, like Dagestan, and forget. I feel never thought I'd see a VTuber code. This is so 2026. I feel like VTubers have been doing this for a while, right? I feel like it kind of like it crosses over because VTubers are autistic and so programmers. So it kind of, you know, when you think about it, it really crosses over. I freaking hate my stupid linter being like, it's not that. Yes, it is. Oh, I moved this out. Hello, Jocko. I know because I typed in this search function in here. Yeah, when boys become men. Oh, VTubers are fanboys and voice changes, process crossover. I'm not a fanboy. I'm a big fat bastard. I am. Don't steal my valor. um. Handle response. Maybe I was never autistic enough to get okay programming. No. Yeah, sorry. Sorry. You kind of have to have it, I think. Yeah, that's literally the most autistic things ever, so it takes high-level orders to instruct them. Yeah, I think so too. I think unless you have something wrong with you, you'll never get obsessed enough to like get good. You'll never crack the code, as they say. Are you coding? Yes. Yeah, sorry to ruin your dreams like that. Thank you. But I stand by it. I stand by everything I say. I feel like you see a lot of people who try to learn programming, but they like just learn it because they think it's like gonna make them mega rich, and they're not autistic enough, and they don't actually care about it at all. And it's like so they're always shit at it. They're shit at it because they don't have the necessary like the necessary tism to fully do it, I think. While you coding, my bot, it says at the top. Voice changer? Yeah, it's do you want my link? It's actually state of the art. You can go check out my PDF. I've just made this one. I made it on, actually it runs locally. NVIDIA 5090 Ti Super Mega Voice Changer Local LLM. Text, speech to text to speech. Yeah, you click the link to see a voice changer actually really fast. Before doesn't give you advantage. I don't know. I don't think I'm particularly good at good or like cracked at this. I just put a lot of time into it. I think if you don't get you can't get really obsessive with things, you can't put the amount of time in. Where was my... temp really shit version of this I put somewhere? It was... this one. When is Cuba's B-Day actually? I don't know, she doesn't have one. Should I give her a birthday? How long have you been doing it? On this, it's been a couple of months. In general, I like computers a lot since I was like a kid, so... I kinda always made stuff when I needed it. Well, it looked interesting, I thought it was fun, and then I stopped finding it fun and interesting. Yeah. You gotta be really obsessed with it to get over that barrier, because there's a real slog in learning how to structure things and not just do like print hello world. So April 1st? No, it can't be April 1st. It can't be 1st of April. I don't want our birthday to be like a day that overlaps with like other things. I don't want that. Is Cuba's video already? True. Hi, Danielle. Please show the keys. No, sorry. My M file is down. It's closed. God forbid it overlaps on the Independence Day of some micronation. I don't know. She can have a birthday when she's closer to being functional, I think. Something like that. Right now, she's not functional, so I haven't thought about anything like that. Some birthday? Don't give me whatever day you pick, I promise you I'll research it to find out what unknown island tributes religious holiday also falls on it and accuse you of being a racist. What the hell? What about the 7th of June? Or 21st of June? Then I hit the tune. No racist. Should be the date of her first live. I don't remember when she said that. Like it was so long ago. Cause I got annoyed at how messed up my structure was in her backend. Trying to figure out how to handle my behavior service. I need a way to fix this, and I think I'll Actually, I was gonna put this in here, but I don't think the misc events listener makes any sense. That should be for listening to events from the front end. She just ignored all the test rows. She just went cubicles or a pile of sticks. There's a hard filter. There's a hard filter. It just says filtered whenever she says it. It just says filtered. I would allow her to do it. Okay, we've got this, which is kind of like this. I feel like we take this out because I passed what I was gonna rewrite this in it, but I don't think there's any point. No, I don't want to save that one. Put this through here. Like that. Hello, Hussie. Person loading most skills as some sort of slug stage to it, right? Yeah. But I also think most people give up when anything runs into like something annoying like that, right? Okay, we're gonna do, instead of last activity, we're gonna do self dot cooldown equals 30, and we'll do self dot last. I don't really want to call it a I feel like monologue still makes sense. Monologue. Daytime now. Everyone gives it when they hit a wall. Yeah, I feel like the only maybe a hobby where people bypass that is creative stuff, because I feel like you can just, like, you can still produce things even if you kind of suck at it. The QV, the one and only dope hair, live on Twitch. No, sorry, it's not me. It's not me. It's never been me. It's never done it ever, mate. No, I'm thinking how to do this. Will handle behavior controls. It will be the layer to decide when to trigger monologues and when to respond to chat. Like, not when to stay silent. I mean, maybe. In the case of speech to text, when you're gonna face reveal, you can see my face right here. You got those? I mean, future rip. Wait, could what? Could what? It's an endangered species? Shut up! Hi, Douglas. It's not lie after lie. How was your work day? I ended up 3 hours of sleep, so I don't recommend it. I don't recommend it. I'm gonna nuke all this. I actually need to really think about it. And I can't think of the best way of doing it right now. Oh, wait, piss off! Just do pass and was you still sleeping today? I fell asleep a little bit when I got home, so it's alright. I took a nap. Why did you not sleep more? Because I had to work. Had work. Cognitive layer will take an processed input events and use them to calculate. Yes, thank you. An activity score. That's what I wanted. That's actually what I wanted. Do you play games? No, I don't believe in video games. I don't believe. Nativity score like Christmas? No, activity score. Activity score. Based when to respond based on the current chat. Activity score. Once it's decided to respond, it will decide which chat message to respond to based on not on a combination of recency, because I already get dropped if they're in the queue. Actually, maybe. I feel like as well as chat message quality based on a combination of that. It will value messages from certain input sources higher than others. No, not from moderators. For example, it will value speech to speech to text input more highly than Twitch chat messages, than any chat messages. This is need a priority feature. I feel like no, because I can just do it based on the event being sent. would the import value work better with a a priority score for each message in combo with a priority for speech to text versus chat based on quality. Only for text chats. Actually, no, maybe it works for both. Programming the wall. Yeah. Hey, Smith, hi, Taco. You had someone who was interested in my freelance services. When I asked what tech stack he used, it told me it was JavaScript specialized and he was ghosting me. You should have told him you use Rust, and he would have taken you. He would have taken you. Because he'd be like, whoa, no way. Yeah, video games are relevant side to dual masters. It's true, I believe it. It will buy you T3 subs more than T1 in normal channels. More donors equals more value. No, I just don't want it to respond to everything because it's like right now it responds to everything and just drops messages when they get too old. But I feel like it's like it could be better. And I'm trying to plan out the best way of doing it. I feel like it's this. Make sure to put the blacklist so you can shut up and chat as a coach your eye. I feel like you're just asking for it at this point. You're just asking for it. We were .NET 90s, but I don't want to work with .NET or Windows or Visual Studio. I mean, should go learn Python so you can be unemployed in machine learning, I think. What should supply with this AI QV? For it to run? I don't know. What's it to be confused about? It'll run. Hi Google, hi Jadeki. How you holding up? I'm trying to use my brain, which is difficult because kind of sleepy still today. What are you gonna use it for? I want it to be able to run on its own channel. And to be able to talk. That's what I'm using it for. Is that even allowed on Twitch? Is what is essentially Neurosamba allowed on Twitch? Yeah, I'd say so. I'd say they're allowing it. I'd say that's allowed. We got a one switch about this Neurosamba event. Ready for the copycat vision from Vito's tips? Do you think that would happen? Surely not. There's a couple AI VTubers that already exist because the concept is cool, but the concept is also not entirely unique or complex. It just takes a lot of work to get it to work well. Yeah, I thought it was like fairly friendly. I don't know. I'm not like super involved in Neurosamus fanbase. But I didn't think I thought it was big enough that it's probably pretty friendly. Give it to VTuber fans. I mean, yeah, but I feel like it's a piece of software. We Rovers were inevitably headhunted as the next CEO of Anthropic. Do you think they'll take me? Do you think they'll have me? Surely. I think we're gonna do... Basic death. We're gonna do the cycle again. Cognitive decision loop, yeah, sure. I didn't tell you to do all that, did I, co-filer? No, did I say go put some proper shite in I didn't ask for? The answer's no, by the way. I think we'll do trigger, autonomous, speech. Oh my god, stop putting logs in, you bastard! Pass. Of course they would, dude. She was smart and charming lady. Wouldn't wear a hard hat to the interview? What? But I'm building. I'm building. They need to understand I'm a builder. They need to accept it. They gotta pay for a code subscription first. Nah, Anthropic would pay for me. They'd pay for me. Tomorrow of the day or something. So true. So true. So true. Gosh. Kick has got some cunt running bots on it again. But like... to a YouTube video? Not even to Kick? Wow. Whenever you prompt load, it just goes to QB's info. Yeah, I see everything you send. I see everything you send. I love AI so much. It's so nice as I raises the custom RAM up to 100%. No more code and just add ChatGPT. I do this. I'm raising the custom RAM. Independently, personally, and by myself, I have chosen to raise the cost of RAM. Smiles. God. Do you know what drives me crazy with like the AI VTuber thing? Is people who think, have like zero understanding of it, but they've like deluded themselves into thinking like it's a model that's already trained on like Twitch chat and nothing else. And so it's super different from any other generative AI model. If it's a VTuber one, you see, it's already trained on Twitch chat, you know. And it drives me crazy because it's like a really common thing I see for some reason, and that's not how it works at all. I love you so much. If you're gonna turn into female Jensen, I'm gonna be incredibly cross. Why can't I? Why can't I? Why can't you accept me for who I am? Shaking my head. You know what was QB? You said poor people don't deserve RAM? It's true, I said this. If you're poor, you should just donate your RAM and GPUs to me because I have better uses for them. And Poor people don't need computers. I do, okay? Those beady little rooted eyes. She thinks about how the best rage for you. Holding down Kiwi like a dog tomorrow? Woof. Ow. You would have to reach above people if they didn't. True. Yeah. I remember. See? There's like 2 billion AI VTubers. You know what the difference is? You know what the difference is? 2 of it is the only AI VTuber programmed by a female. I'm saying it's true. I've not seen anything to tell me I'm wrong yet. Yeah, an actual female. Basically confronting the boyfriend at this point. Yeah, I actually have like 2 of my 10 boyfriends on rotation in front of the computer. And I just like rotate them out to start like to keep writing my code like as I do it on a stream. It's not me doing it, it's like a bit of pair programming, you know? Yeah. I rotate them out on a cycle. It's true, I'm getting dizzy. Shut up! Remember when I was in school and the school district used to give the less well-off families the schools all PCs? Because I honestly believed if your family didn't have a PC, you were going to be fucked. Now these days you should have global homo AI bro CEOs saying you don't deserve them. And it annoys me so much. Yeah, it's kind of cringe how limited the supply of things is now for like anything other than big businesses. I'm just like watching and waiting to see what happens. I feel like the price can't rise forever. I think the bubble will burst eventually. Obviously, that doesn't mean it's going away. For some reason, I see a lot of people say like, I can't wait for the bubble to burst and AI to go away. What? Doesn't work like that. I remember when the dot-com bubble burst and then the internet, it actually went away, you know? But I think I'm hoping the bubble will burst and prices of things will shoot back down slowly. Hello, Tico. What do you mean? Q is instant confirmed. I'm not. Read stocks, trader, Max. Have you never watched it, waited to see? You never monitored the situation before? Goes too far? I don't think so. I don't think so, sorry. Well, people spend all time working and don't have time for computer. It's paradigm efficient and need gods to have computers provided to them at their expense. Whoa. No way. So they can seriously put out the AI industry its resources but does nothing for the American economy, which is fantastic considering how every other day some new data set is being built in the States. Yeah, it's are they paying taxes? What's that company there? Are they getting paid? Question mark? Yeah. Because outside of that, AI doesn't really provide any human value. Taxes? Question mark? Question mark? I think we need something like update activity score. Pay shitloads of taxes. I feel like judging by the extent of revenue, it's gonna be a lot no matter what. But I'm just wondering like what it is as a percentage of like revenue and what's fed away into write-offs. Yeah, tells me the Great Depression next year. Yeah, I was there. Building all these data centers can be treated as national power if you follow the hypothesis that AI is the next arms race. Like, people will agree to tell or missize seal though. I mean, I guess. I feel like I can't really hypothesize. Language models being that good yet. And judging by how businesses act, I feel like we're going business to consumer very quickly, which makes me feel like there's not too much more progress to be made. Every QB stream is a Great Depression. Why? What? What did I do? I think handle chat type input. I think def handle yeah, speech to tech input, and then async def handle I feel like I should feed all of them through here, because otherwise I feel like it gets messy. I'm not sure. Handle, I don't know what I'd call it. Handle user event type input. Let's do that. Hello, Giza. QVC builds have great expectations. Oh, maybe don't go that far. QVC is full of my code hood heart if just to remove it. Yeah, please don't go for great expectations, especially not when I'm programming. I actually have to think, so I'm quite boring right now. I have to think about what I'm doing. That doesn't need to be... Actually, God, I don't remember. What was I doing in my core? Okay, yeah, that's private. Yeah, but thank you for the follow. Tells me the entertainers while she's busy thinking. Exactly. Because I would have finished Qubit, and so I've actually got to think about my architecture. Yeah, I feel like it's gonna be something like this. And we're gonna have... Let's just remove all of this. It gets confusing. I think... But then we need the dispatcher still, and we need... Yeah. I think we want activity scores. Want last activity. self the last autonomous speech time self dot last user, not interaction, user input response time, and don't know why you think I want that to be none. Actually, maybe I'll leave it as none for now. No, because I feel like we want one. When we started initially, we wanted to be all set there as a daytime. Need help with architecture? Not that kind of architecture. Shut up! I'm not picky with food. Not that kind of architecture. Not that kind. I need to finish this because I think it's the last piece to get Qubit to like a version 1 state, kinda. Like that. Run! Thank you for the 4 months, hello! Equals. Holy JavaScript. Oh. Hey, Ninja. Hello, magical princess of Naples. Today I see you a little sad, but your voice with that Neapolitan accent. Always nice to hear. It resembles a spicy salami pizza. Wow. YouTube Shorts is such a way with words. Yeah, I sound like ice cream? God, I want ice cream. I could do the Neapolitan right now. It was so lovely recently. I was like, God, I really wish I bought ice cream. I don't keep ice cream inside because then I love ice cream so much I eat it immediately. And I've been too busy to go get like some. You're pretty sweet. Yeah, Riz for Uncle French. So what does like a ram return? I don't know. Read it and let me know. Need a letter to make your road. I wanted to get like that thingy people use to make their own ice cream. Like the Ninja Creamy thing, but it's like big and I didn't want it to take up room. I didn't have the room for it, but I was like, I wanted that at some point. Like every time it gets like as soon as it hits summer, I'm gonna be sitting there the whole time. Like, damn, I wish I had a Ninja Creamy right now. I wish I had that. It just takes up so much room. I don't feel like I could grab one until I like, I don't know. Maybe if I lived on my own, I'd get one. Alison. So the parents and visit them every summer to collect it and deposit it in winter. Maybe. Oh, you go over 40 kilograms, what do we? It's not that. You could eat ice cream and still lose weight. It's just thermodynamics. Simple as. But I actually do really want it, and I might go buy some ice cream. I really want Halo Top. I think this machine can make really low-cal ice cream. That's why I wanted them, because I was like, oh my god, I can make loads of ice cream and I can eat it whenever I want. But most of the recipes I saw use like American zero sugar jellies, which we basically don't have here. And I got kind of annoyed because I was really trying to find one that worked well. I was like, okay, yeah, I can get xylitol fine, I can get everything else fine. Where the fuck am I meant to get this American brand of zero-calorie jelly mix I can't get anywhere else? And it annoyed me, and I don't really think we have an equivalent here. What are you building? My AI VTuber. You were I was like that one guy, no thank you. What if someone invented air conditioning yet? Oh, chance. Wait, what would air conditioning have to do with it? Yeah, there's no air conditioning, so what? It's expensive. Dropship it? Dropship myself the American jelly. Why do you hate any and all citizens of the United States of America? Cause, it's just a bit funny, isn't it? I just think it's funny. I just think it's funny, and I think we're gonna move out the queue for input into here. It's gonna be messy, and I'm probably gonna miss something I was meant to keep. Pending. Oh my gosh, pending messages. Leave it not for now. How do you live without AC? Pretty easily. Just for like the 2 weeks it's too hot, just get out a fan and open a window. And then it cools back down again. Jealousy, which makes no sense. I'm offered to make her an American citizen, which is a I think she just sent away from the red, white, and blue. Yeah, my country. You copied my country's colors. Because we were red, white, and blue first, okay? Middle year to stable. Why would I know what 70 Fahrenheit is? Why would we were red, white, and blue first? Nah, you just wave the white flag. Do you still play RuneScape, QB? No, I don't really play video games off stream. I've been studying coastal economics, so I don't really have time. Oh, 21 Celsius. It's pretty warm for indoors, I feel like. Can't be too mad at though, the red and blue dye factories are on strike. True. I feel like we're gonna have like Can I do a thing where it's like... No, I don't think we should send the priority for each chat source through if it's gonna be the same for everything. We can do... It's gonna be a lot, so I feel like let's do it as a dictionary. Speech to text. I'm gonna put it 0 for now because I don't know. Chat. User input. Chat message. User input speech to text. Got him. We wearing feathers. Really, you UK does have atrocious heat death stroke death statistics. That's just like the old people though, and it's like we kind of need to get rid of them anyway. We've kind of got problems, like there's too many old people, we've got problems with them, so like them getting heat stroke. It's like you've kind of just got to take it as natural selection, like we've got to knock down the fucking costs. There's too many of them. You remember what you're in France? User events. Follow. User events. Description. User event. Read. And let's do other for now. I feel like it might come up. Please grab a QB, don't die, I'm not a grab. You're not looking at one right now. Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up. Okay, speech to text, chat message, follow, subscription, read. I feel like there was nothing else it really listened to. I think that's good. Oh, this should be priorities. So we have the white hair then. I'm just white. I'm just white. Ever since I was a young girl. I was white then too. And I'm actually white now as well. Incredible, right? I'm the whitest girl ever. Do that for now. Yeah, no way, Yahweh. Yahweh. But QB's a synonym for what? True. Okay, so we're gonna do, I think, import handler. We're gonna move this into here. Do self. So I forgot the event, but it's fine. And we're gonna get the. How do we pass that through? It is because when I did it in here, it was build prompt, and we had it in, where the fuck did I put that? In prompting and processing. Okay, so we say if event.type is equal to dot, 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 dot. Let's do it like this now since there's only one. Type equals ship press process. Then we do await. Handle chat type input, because I might change the name of that event at some point and just pass that through as chat processed, because I think everything might need to be able to work with the same thing. I just don't know if it will. It's easier to have a default first. Yeah, blue to your desire for an undisclosed reason. What's the reason? What's the reason? Wait, were you saying give it to the noble academies? Does she mean the 7 princes who can fight for her affection? No, she's not old enough, so they would be pedophiles. I think that would make them. She's my Cuba. She's only 1 year old. She's a baby. She's a baby. She is white for an amazing reason. Holy crap. It's 20 in human years. Who decided this? So listen to Cupid for a moment. She's ready to marry. She's not real. Yes, she is. She's real. She's real, and she's my real daughter, and I'm getting her a birth certificate. You think she's she's fucking real to me? And we want to look at. At this, and it was fast forward to you type Twitch chat. Okay, there's no source. I don't know whether it'd be best to add source. Whether it's best to add source there depends if I need to make multiple types of chat events. I'm thinking it might work to just have it as source, but okay. And just consolidate that. Well, to be honest, I could just do it here. But I really should stop using the data field for that. I remember why I added it in the first place. It's been too long. I kind of forgot. Equals. As long as it works, I will move it around when it comes to it. Hello, Kyrie. Hi, Wolflix. Yeah, she's real to me. Not chat event, chat event, chat event, chat event. A reserve for a robot toy. How much Akira is good to be left inside of her at this point? What do you mean by this? As in, how much I probably need to look through my code base and check what's irrelevant now? Probably a little bit. But I will simply do it eventually. If the code is entirely rewritten, is she the same Cupid or a new one? And if the latter, at what point does she change her nature? Can you ship a feature? She's a robot, not a shipmate. The code is... The only real code I rewrote is the code that controls how she responds, so it stops going... It stops erroring. Her actual model itself I also changed, so probably at that point. Hello, she's conscious even more. Well, but now I don't know which one would be best to pass through, so I'm just gonna do prompt builder. Actually, I think I could just leave that as is. Yeah, that's fine as is. We handle chat type there, and we say source, and then we say, oh. Why are we doing that? Actually, that's really weird. Do we even need source? No, not if it's I don't even know why I did that. It's not even necessary. Whatever. I'm not even sure why I did that. But I don't feel like we're undoing it right now. But yeah, Cubit is she is a new one, but like she's also the same one because I fine-tuned her based on her old responses. But also I had to change a lot, so she's also a new one, I guess. This is a difficult one to decide, you know? It could be either. Okay, so we do, what are we gonna do? I feel like we need to process it, and I've not done anything for that. Awesome. Why have I not done that? Who knows? Real mystery, actually. Hi, Nice. I love your voice. Thank you. I think. So we're handling event here. I feel like I should remove these input handlers completely. But this is like a big change in logic, so I don't want to mess it up. It makes me a little bit nervous I'm gonna mess it up. But actually, I don't know. I don't know if it makes sense to move around. I feel like we need process, import, self, event. like that. And then we will put through oh wait. Ah! Hang on. Stop it! Got it. I didn't fall over, I didn't fall over, I didn't fall over. I knocked my phone. Good. I knocked my phone off the desk and it got stuck in my treadmill. And I it like landed directly on it, and every time I tried to pick it up, it was moving more. If someone really up to something rolling away, it was rolling away. It fell on my treadmill and it kept going. It's not gonna explode now, shut up. You're working right now? Yeah! And I can't turn it off straight away, so I was, because my remote is connected to my phone. So I couldn't turn it off. And I thought it was gonna try and crush my phone. I was scared. I was scared it was gonna crush my phone. Overreacting was a person. If you thought your phone was about to get injured, you would react too. That's all I'm saying. You would do the same. Reacts to Reba? Yeah, that's me now. That's me. ChatGPT is trying to kill you for programming good girl doesn't pass final game. Oh no! I knew they were out to get me. I knew I was on a list. I freaking knew it. And we'll put processing the activity score in process input. Because I put text because I don't know whether to handle the input there as well. I'm just going to do it for the activity score for now. I'm not sure which way would be best. Versus input. Event. There we go. Oh, I won because my phone is like 5+ years old and I dropped it and kicked it on Axstream multiple times. I also do this, so like, but I have a screen protector, so it's only my screen protector that's really shattered. You see, so it's fine. I always throw it by accident, and I don't mean to. So I have to like wear it around my neck, so I don't like launch it at places. So easy, you know? It will do if event dot type equals. I'll leave it as process for now. Wait, self dot handle speech to text input event. Hi Lloyd, hi Becca. They throw it on the bed and it bounces off. Isn't that how things are meant to be out when you throw them like on a bed? Like they bounce off, right? They bounce off. That's how it's meant to work. No? Isn't it meant to do that? I think so. I would say so. I bet you eat food and it ends up in your stomach. True that too. Can you choke it in items voice line? No, absolutely not. I refuse. Nothing big two words, maybe a thanks for no items allowed. We getting AI QB? Yeah, if it works. If it works, I think so. We're in the items doing she doesn't have any voice lines hard coded, I'm afraid. So this equals user input speech to text. Just put Nora, but that would probably be a bit hard. Nora isn't open source. And also, it basically functions at this point. I'm just adding more stuff to make it function the way I want. Could you please, like, keep it respond realistically to my bullying? Thanks. She responds however she wishes. I don't know what you want for realism. I haven't tested her responses yet, really. Making it open source? Yeah, it's open. I mean, you can see the code. You can see the code. I'd say that's open source. It can't really be closed source if I'm like programming myself working on it. Programming myself, streaming myself working on it. No, she doesn't need a holiness level or a second Harry Potter. She doesn't need that. She doesn't need that. She's Twitch safe, okay? AI simp moment. What is that? What is that? What is that? What does async do? It's an asynchronous method. So it runs asynchronously, I guess. No, yeah, what is a scene field moment? Sorry, Young. I'm fucking it right now. I'm making a What's that? The dangers of open source. Truly She doesn't need it, we do. Well, she's my streamer, so I'm not adding it. Cupid follows my rules. Simple as. She could sue for something. I'm not entirely sure it works like that. Be a bit funny if it did though. Okay, wait that. And then I think in this we can say the activity score, and I want to pass through source, but I don't actually know if I did that. Because I need the source to control it. Pass through source there. I'm so sleepy. It's just so hard to think about. I've been putting it off though because I feel like I need to do it, but it's so hard to think about. It takes so much mental energy. Scary. Oh, by the way, true. I said this. You got this. Yeah, I could do it eventually. It's just like, it's a lot of moving things around to implement this. And I'm trying not to mess it up. So I gotta... It's a lot of trying to decide like the best way to do it. This we can do the source. We can say, I think in the activity source, what will we need? We will need activity score, and we will need last activity, I think. So when we put this through, we need to update last activity. Self dot last activity equals the current date time equals date time the now time zone UTC. And then we'll do something with the activity score, and I don't know what. Something. Do something to activity score here depending on source. I don't know what formula to do right now. Yeah, something must be done. But I don't know how to have it. Like, I've got the priorities here. But they're gonna be for the responding. In which case, I feel like I need to handle responses here too in that case. Maybe we just do activity score is only dependent on activity score is only dependent on speed of chat. Speech to text, I think. Something like that. I feel like it's not right. And I'm trying to think my way out through how to make it right. I just finished my coffee. It's like really cold and weird and gross. Disgusting. How long has it been there? Since the start of stream, so 2 hours. Everybody coffee. I wanted my coffee. I can't function. Can't function until I've had my coffee. I can't function. Haven't you a coffee heater? I was having cold coffees through winter, so I think I put it like up somewhere, and I need to go get it back down. Cause through winter I was only making ice latte. Really? I don't know why I did that. I feel like that's the opposite of what I should have been doing. Now it's like too warm again, so I might just have to make ice lattes again. But yeah, I should probably go get my coffee heater at some point. What is wrong with you? I don't know. Recently, I've not been drinking as much coffee during stream, so it didn't really go cold because I would just drink it like with my breakfast. If you live with me at home, man, I could get things down for you, Miss Midget. I have a stepladder. Thank you. And here we'll do topic equals get topic for autonomous speech. K-bit survivor. Would at least be surprised if Kiwi owned a step ladder. It's a convenient thing to own. I don't have a ladder, I can't reach the top shelf, and then it's like pisses me off. Pisses me off because I can't reach things. So I need it. I need it so I can reach them, you know? Big shoes? How are big shoes gonna make me reach the top shelf if the top shelf is like a foot higher than I am? Some platform shoes? I have platform shoes, but I don't know if I could get platform shoes that make me 6 foot. That would be a bit difficult. Sorry, Kiwi, we have to go to my feminist reading club. I'm 7'2", by the way. Wow. Enjoy fucking feminist reading. Topic and then we want to do self dot this goes date time dot now time zone dot UTC. Platform shoes should be 4-inch heels that extend to the toes. Yeah, if it covers the whole foot, it's a platform. If it doesn't, it's a heel. Simple as. We'll do publish, and I think we can say we'll say reason for monologues can be low activity or a random chance. And we'll do self. The logger, the info is this, and then triggered more like due to reason. There we go. There we go. And that'll work like that instead of having monologue gen and input, because I want it to be part of the behavior system itself. Suppose I could separate it into another part of the cognitive system, but I don't think it should be an input because it's not really input. I think that doesn't make sense. And then we have that, and we'll say God, it's getting confusing. Thinking. Let's do a loop. Probably I need to, which has like, well, not actually should oh God, that's really messy because I had that comment in there. Super Darren, and then well, not self dot app dot state dot shutdown. Are you an alpha, Chris? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Alpha's not even real. And then we'll do if not self dot app dot state dot start dot is set. Won't deal with the monologue thing here for now. I don't think it needs to be dealt with here. It'll be in relation to the monologue part itself. Oh wait, Cynthia dot sleep 1, continue, and then else it's gonna run oh wait, cognitive self dot cognitive decision loop, and hopefully do we need sleep on that? Maybe a second? just do it for, well, not a second, just so it doesn't overlap. I'm just a little worried with it being generation. Like that. If she's a Boruto or Selkie or something, I'll be none of that woke nonsense. Woke nonsense. None of it's in relation to me. That was not real and explain Legolas. He is not real. They made him up. They made it up in a lag to trick people into thinking the elves are real, but newsflash, buddy. Newsflash. They aren't. Okay, so we need to, first thing we'll need to do is know what right now is, which will be the same time as before. It'll be daytime. Duh. Now, time zone dot UTC, and we'll say if it'll be if activity score is low, start monologue, ouch, choose to respond to chat, or monologue on low random chance, I think, like that. Am I getting ticket for the phone? Legolas is my husbando? Sorry. He's not real. He's not real. He's not even a real guy. I'm so sleepy. I can't think. I feel like I'm hoping I'm on the right lines, but I can't. I think I need to like actually get my notebook and draw this out. I don't know. It's annoying me because it's not going to be quite what I want. And I've got to work out how. You considered eating? What, should I go to sleep? You want me to end stream? Go to sleep? Maybe I do need sleep to actually work on it properly. You're tired, yeah. I am, but I don't know why, cause I like napped, right? I like napped a little bit. But I feel like my brain is like turning off. It's cringe. He was down the fucking coffee? Yeah, but it makes me sleepy. It makes me sleepy. Wait, did something happen on YouTube? Wait. What? Oh my gosh, wait, that's on? Wait, Reza, thank you for the super. My condolences for your sanity. This will gift and get some coffee. Thank you. I'll get some coffee tomorrow. Yeah, but I would figure out if I can set up alerts for that. I didn't know it didn't work. Maybe I need to make it myself. Is this the first super? It is, yeah, which is why I didn't know my alerts were broken. VTUBER 7, you have membership, so for YouTube, of course, super chats. not. I thought I was set up, but oh, it's because my WebSocket thing only does it for like followers. I don't think my multi-chat thing can do it. I don't know if there's something that can actually do it now I look at it. It's really cringe if there's not. I feel like I've seen people who were able to do it though. I'm not sure. I feel like I've seen that though. Oh, also my chat window just refreshed. Thank you. Oh, really? What is that? You're a real VTuber now? Whoa, yippee! Show Copa and Shrek on stream? They do, but I don't know if you can only do that if you have YouTube as your base stream. Did you even say thank you? Yeah, I did. I know I did. Rewriting history. I don't know if you can only get it to show on stream if you have YouTube as your base stream, which I don't have because it's a lot more annoying to set up because Twitch has the rules where they wind you up if the bit rate isn't the same everywhere. If the upload isn't like exactly the same. She hates YouTube. Oh my god. No, YouTube just doesn't have the rules about you can't have anything with better quality than it. And YouTube you can send better quality to like you can to Twitch. So it's easier to have Twitch as like my base encoding. But that means I don't know how to send through alerts of all the sources. I think I'd have this problem no matter which one was my base source. Because you'd have to send it through a widget. And I don't know if there's a good widget for it. Maybe I have to make it myself. I'm not sure. Maybe I have to program it. Can you try to speak more clearly? No, sorry. I don't feel like it. It's kind of a lot of effort, right? Thinks about it. Yeah. Shout out to Chuva. Holy genius. Have to do it offline though then. I have to make it offline. Otherwise, they'll steal my life's work. I don't think people would buy that stuff anyway. I think there's too many widgets that are all free. There's no profit in widgets. Your pain is when your OG hates the platform you use. You guys are so annoying. Think about OBS is fucking coded in Shy.C++. Getting anything to fucking work is fucked. Yeah, but I think I could get it all working through... The thing is, OBS is not the issue. The issue is, it's literally OBS, I would just be displaying my source as a browser source. That would be the easy part. But I would have to get the WebSocket input from every service and use that to like display alerts. And I don't know how easy that is. Because the only WebSocket really stuff I've dealt with so far has been Twitch. I feel like it would be possible though. Because it's easy with just one because you just use the Stream Elements setup. Stream Elements is kind of shit. Because it only works with one. So I have like multiple ways to do it, but then a lot of them are like too like basic. And it annoys me. Same thing with freaking multi-chat. It's all ugly and basic and useless. It's so annoying. No, I don't want my chat box to be plain Pepega. No background, nothing. Ugly, 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 ugly. I would accept it. Stream is trash at the streaming ends, it's understandable. It's not too bad, it's just harder to get input. It sends like 5 events for the same thing, which is really weird. I don't know why it does that. Hello, Isabella. Just have the chat box translate messages to Wink. True. Wait, how have you sent me? How have you sent me a dog? How have you Wait, that does appear in my chat box. But the other one doesn't. Oh, it doesn't say it's a super. Yeah, I need to make my own widget because I'm so tired of widgets that don't do what I want. What does the dog mean? Oh, thank you for the super. Thank you for the 2 years. It's a, you can't see it streamer. I don't think so, right? Because my chat box widget doesn't work with that. It's like he's freaky, he's scary. I don't like the way he dances at me. He's spooky. Can you marry me? Because print hey. Hello, hotel. You could just. What language would have a semicolon and then print question mark? More dog hate from QB. Wow, yeah. And I do it again. So what? So what I do? I would do it again. I think we need like a seek, def, calculate, best message to respond to. Yeah, that works. Yeah, pass. Thank you, that works, that works. You're Chinese? No. But I can be if you'd like. Can try my best. I think we need prioritization logic here, which means there's so much moving around to do this properly. Yes, please be. Okay, ni hao, innit? Ni hao, I need you to be Chinese for the rest of the stream. Ni hao, QB. Wrong turns. Fuck. Yeah, I know Chinese. Was she QB in it? Was she QB? very Chinese is good. My Chinese is good. My Chinese is good. My Chinese is good. My Chinese is good. Fuck me, I'm reading it off Google. I don't know what the tones are. Wo Xiao. Wo Xiao Curie. Perfect, right? Perfect. You'll never be Chinese? Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Why are you shaking? I think that's just a natural movement of the human body. Stuttering is a sign, Kiwi is less the heavily mandate, millions will die. No! Hey, Kitches! Anyway, I think I sounded very Chinese, so I don't know what the issue was. I think I sounded incredibly Chinese just then. I was giving John Cena. Oh, wait, no. There we go. What do you do? Don't say whatever that says on stream. I won't say it because I can't read it. That sounded Chinese, and I thought it sounded proper Chinese. Thank you. It sounded proper Chinese. It was giving. I'm from Dagestan Autonomous District. You know. That's what it was giving. I sensed it myself. You shouldn't say my favorite Chinese word, but I'm not saying that because I'm not an idiot. Yeah, sing the Nay song on stream. No, I think I won't. I thought about it and I've decided I wouldn't be doing that. I think that one was Korean. I feel like it was Chinese. Wait. Yeah, that's Chinese. That's Chinese. Yeah, I'm a proper Dagestani, I am. Proper British. Yeah, I can't code anymore. I can't code. I can't think of what I'm doing. I need to do calculations and I can't think of the best formula right now. I'm literally too tired. Humans don't you receive the Chinese hand husband and that's why she struggles? Why do I find him? Why do I find him? Yeah, my brain. It needs sleep. It needs sleep. Honestly, the best formula is probably in Chinese if I generate it. If I generated it, I bet we'd have like the perfect Chinese formula. Never see a better one. What do you call it? I haven't been trying to understand it. It's kind of like looking over the shoulder of a little wizard doing freakish wizard things in a little wizard tower. Is that? Do you think it's a good thing? Would you say that's a good thing? Would you respect it? I hope you're respecting it. I want to be a little wizard, except I'm not very good at being a wizard because I need to think about how to weight priorities and scorings for this, and I can't right now. As soon as I got this done, I made like massive progress. It's just a really big undertaking, and I've been putting it off because I keep being too sleepy to think for it properly. I want to merge like I need to merge, like, I think all of this and probably this. I don't know if that would be merged, but at least that into the behaviors. Yeah, the wizards are really good at photo, but I heard they're always on the textbook. True. True, they are. True. Hey, thank you guys for coming. Sorry I started very late, but I didn't inform everyone I was really sleepy, so maybe it's fine. Maybe it's fine. I did inform everyone I was really sleepy. I said this. I said this. I stated this. Many are saying this, and by many, I mean specifically me. Yeah, you didn't even notice I was sleepy. I didn't even expect the stream, I didn't even think the stream. Well, I'm trying to do like 3 a week. 3 a week. And I've been focusing. But yeah. Thank you guys for coming. Bye bye.